Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn how to customize MyRx template. With the help of MyRx template, we will be able to add our own letterhead on EkaCare. Let's say for example, we have a letterhead which has header and footer. We want to add it to EkaCare so that we can integrate our letterhead to EkaCare to have a customized and organized prescription. In this video, we will learn how to do this. So let's get started. Let's click on the profile name at the top of the screen. Here from the available options, let's click on MyRx template. Towards the left hand side, we can select the doctor. I'm selecting for doctor, and after selecting the doctor, we can set up two different templates. This is for print RX and this is for digital RX. Digital RX is for digital copy or soft copy that we shared with patients via WhatsApp. As of now, let's select for print RX and let's see how this goes. We can also select the clinics. If more clinics are added, we can select that particular clinic to make the customization. Now I'm uploading a letterhead which is already created. So let's click on upload letterhead option. We have to select the file and we can click on open. This has to be in image format. So let's extend this a little bit so that everything that needs to be added is covered. After selecting the part towards the left, we can click on select as header. Header is added. Let's bring it down. Let's resize this. This is perfect. So let's click on select as footer. Now let's click on save. Here towards the right hand side, we can see that header and footer is added. We have to do some more changes here. As we can see, the prescription and the header part is getting overlapped. We have to make the changes here. So let's click on header. Let's increase the header height a little bit. I think this seems fine. Let's move forward with the footer. So let's click on footer here. Let's increase the footer height. This looks fine. This is absolutely alright for me. Similarly, depending upon our requirement, we can make the necessary changes over the header and over the footer. This will help us to add the image on the header section and over the footer section. After adding the image, we can click on save. Now when we print the prescription, this is how the prescription will look like. Similarly, let's say we have number of printed letterheads on which we want to print the prescription. In this case, we do not have to add the image on the footer part as well as the header. We can simply click on no header and we can leave space depending upon the header height. Let's say our header height is about 3 cm. We can just increase the header height to 3 cm here, so that space gets aligned. Similarly, we have to click on footer and we have to enable no footer image. Let's go to footer. Let's say our footer height centimeter is close to 3.5. We can just make this as 3.5 over here so that space gets aligned. After making the necessary changes, we can simply click on save. Now our prescription will be printed on the letterhead that we have. Now we saw how to customize print RX. The similar way we can go ahead and do it for digital RX separately. Two different customization options are available here. And this is how we can add our letterhead and make necessary changes towards the RX template. Other than this, we also have some more option here. We can add the signature. A separate dedicated video is available on how to upload the signature. If required, please watch that video. And layout customization options are available here. In case if we are looking out for extensive customization of the prescription, we can do it over here. Other details, like let's say we want to change color of patient details, you can just click on this option and change the color. And some more customization options are available on the complete module. This is how we'll be able to customize my RX template. Thank you for watching.